Welcome everyone to a new video. Watch on to see where we went and what we did in the beaches here in Oaxaca. We were supposed to only stay in this beach for one day, but we stayed an extra 3 days. We really like this spot because of the warm ocean water we spent most of our time in and the privacy you get. There are not too many people around, so it is a perfect spot to spend your days secluded. Every morning, we would tilt our solar panels called directional daylight to maximize our solar collection to be able to run our AC inside when it gets too hot.
Hello. Over here I'm going to be showing you our airplane track. As you can see, this hook section can be taken out. It was pretty close to the flippers, so I'm going to move it away. That way I can hook our goggles and tubes. Now it's really easily accessible. All I have to do is just take my stuff out, put my tube, my goggle, take my flippers out, and now we're good.
Okay, go!
We would go in the water about 4 or 5 times every day once we finished a section of our school, so that was the routine there, alternating from school and swimming. During sunset, we would all come out again to watch the view and spend some more time on the beach. We spent a couple hours here just boogie boarding. It was really fun, especially when the receding waves would come back, acting like a ramp for when I was moving towards the beach. After, we drove out, taking short stops wherever we were on our way to Puerto Escondido. We spent most of our day surfing here. Very good beginner waves, perfect for us. Eventually, we found a sleeping spot by the beach and brought out our fireworks and noisemakers that we just got.
Anticlimactic. Next one. Whoa. Ah.
Thanks for watching today's video and hope to see you next time.